Hello guys, in a situation whereby you have something of this nature and you really want to offset it, take for instance 10 meter from your center line, and you want to get an offset of both sides. It's very clear. It's either you use the command line offset, then specify the distance. Take for instance the distance is 10 meter, then you press enter. Tell you select the object, of which this is the object you are to. Then once you click on it, you drag your mouse either down or up. It will tell you the direction where to paste your offset, either in the right direction or in the left direction. So if you choose both sides, fine. You click on here, then you click back and click on the other direction as well. So as you can see here now, the offset have been defined as 10 meter from our center line. And now if you want to get an interval, that is, you want to measure the offset exactly the same way you measure the polyline, is fine to you. You can actually escape, then go back to your command lines and type measure. From there it will tell you to specify or select the object you want to measure. Either this, you click on it and go back, select, go back to your command prompt and type the distance, the length. Let's say we're using 10 meter, fine. You press enter and you're going to see it's going to appear. And so you repeat the same thing here, as type measure again, select the object, then specify the distance of the 10 meter. And from there you see that the both sides have been declared and the offset have been made in a clear form. Thank you for watching.